This lesson is called Our Community. It is a 3rd grade lesson, and the objectives for this lesson are for students to come up with problems in their communities in order to improve them and to come up with a plan of action for their improvement ideas through writing and visual arts. Alright guys, so to start our lesson today, we are going to read all about Jane Addams and the house that Jane built. This is a real story of Jane Addams and all the positive impacts she had on her community of Chicago.
A wealthy young woman named Jane Addams moved into a lovely, elegant house in Chicago, Illinois. But instead of moving into a lovely, elegant neighborhood, she picked a house that was smack in the middle of one of the filthiest, poorest parts of town. Why would a wealthy young woman do this when she could have lived anywhere? Today, every community center in America, in large part, has Jane Addams to thank. With all that she did, both inside and outside the house that Jane built, her childhood wish to help fix the world came true.
Okay, so now that we know all about how Jane Addams impacted her community in a positive way, let's think about how we can affect our community in a positive way. So let's brainstorm some ideas of how to make our community better. Alright guys, so we came up with a lot of great community improvement ideas. So now what I want you to do is to pick your favorite idea from our brainstorm and write about it. I want you to write about how you would do this idea. So if it was build more playgrounds, which was a great idea, I want you to tell me where you would build them, why it would improve our community, maybe how you would pay for it, anything you can think of. How would you get this community improvement idea done? How would you accomplish this to better our community? When you're done with your writing part of writing your plan of how you're going to improve our community with your idea, I'm going to give you a blueprint paper where you're going to draw how you would do it. What does the process look like? I want you to show me in your blueprint. What is your process of getting from your idea to the final product? Once you've shared your writing and your blueprint with at least 2 other people, you can head over to the Art Center and get started on your final visual representation of your community improvement idea. So I saw some really awesome writing today and a lot of really solid plans to improve our communities, and your final representations came out so beautifully. So we are going to take those and create a bulletin board outside of our classroom so everyone can see all the great ideas you guys have to improve our community. And later during writer's workshop, we are going to start on our letters to the mayor to see if we can get some of these community improvement ideas actually happening.